Dr. Achyut Mohan Pednekar. I'm the professor and principal of Swami Vivekananda Vidyapasara Mandal College of Commerce. First of all, I'd like to thank our chairman, Prabhu sir, and also our chairman of local management committee, Upadhyay sir. Like because of their initiative and appreciation from time to time, we were able to come out with this kind of activity. Because you know that I have joined this 2nd May, okay, 2025, as a principal of this institute, and immediately in a span of 1.5 months to take a big major event, especially Shetkari Mahotsav 2025, it's not easy task. Yes, I got a help and assistance from my colleagues, from my librarian Sonia Mason, Ashya sir is always there, and also the stakeholders. That we are meeting with the stakeholders. They inspired us. We are online meeting with the alumni also. They also inspired us. Now this is the 2-day events, that is on 28th and 29th of June 2025. We were able to draft this and plan this event in these 2 days just because of the collaborations what we got from the different people. For example, Village Panchayat Boring, then we got help from Goa College of Agriculture, Old Goa, Department of Agriculture, Panjim, Green Army Boring, as well as Biodiversity Management Committee Boring, Goa. Right. The main intention to go for such kind of events is to nurture or develop a skill of agriculture. Basically, the main intention is farmer awareness, then organic produce promotion, because the government is also trying to give a lot of help for the farmers to go ahead with the organic producers. Right, and we are like some are finding very much difficulties, and you know you might have read in newspaper like tons of vegetables we are trying to get from the other villages. So we are in shortage of such kind of organic produce. So we thought that this small initiative, if we can able to do it, naturally we can able to develop we can say culture of agri farming.
कृषी महोत्सव 2025 करता म्हणून प्रिन्सिपल आणि अशा एक आमचे प्लॅनिंग मॅडम की त्यांना म्हाका खुश भोगली की बोरी हो कृषी प्रधानच तसो पळोवपाक गेला कित्याक आमचे थंय कुळागर भरपूर आसात, शेतांय भरपूर आसात, आणि आमचे लोकल MLA जे मिनिस्टर आसात तेणी आमकां फाटल्या तेंपाक की जी बंद पडलेली शेतां रोवपाक एक 3-4 वर्सां जाली मदत करता, रायट फ्रॉम पावर टिलर ते हार्वेस्टर हे सगळे ते आमकां दितात गव्हर्मेंट आसात थंय. सगळे फॅसिलिटीज आमचे कडेन पावयता, पूण भुरग्यांक ही आवड जावची म्हणून ही कॉलेज फुडें चल्ल्या. तांकां आमच्या पंचायतीचो सदांच तेंको आसलो आनी म्हाका बरें दिसलें हे बरें काम तुमी फुडें व्हरचें आनी आमकां तुमी मदतूच करतात अशें पळोवपाक गेल्यार आमी सगळो सहकार्य तुमकां दितले.